Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Fareeha Asghar, SS Computer at Divisional Public School and Inter-College Sahiwal. Students, before starting our today's lesson, I want to take some preview of the last lesson. How can you change font? Students, you can change font by using font icon on the formatting toolbar. Students, you can change font by using font icon on the formatting toolbar. How can you change font size? You can also change font size by the icon available on the formatting toolbar. How to insert page numbers? Students, you can insert page numbers by two ways. How to insert page numbers? There are two ways to insert page numbers. One is by using header and footer option, and the second is by using page setup dialog box. What is drop cap? A drop cap is a large letter that begins a paragraph and drops through several lines of text. How to set page margins? Students, again there are two ways to set page margins. One is by using the rulers and the other method is by using page setup dialog box. How to set page size and orientation? Students, you can set page size and orientation through page setup dialog box, which is available in the file menu. You can set size of the paper and you can also change the orientation, either it is portrait or landscape. Okay, our today's lesson is about automatic features of Microsoft Word 2003. Students, as you type text in a document, red or green wavy lines may appear under certain words. These red lines represents that there is some spelling mistake in your document, and the green wavy line shows grammatical mistakes in your document. Automatic spell check places non-printing red wavy lines to indicate that the word is not recognized by the dictionary. And word is not recognized by the Microsoft Word dictionary means that it has some spelling mistake in it. There is autocorrect feature available which automatically corrects commonly misspelled text as it is entered. And Word has a number of default autocorrect entries. Additional entries can be added by the user. Another feature is auto text. Auto text entries can be used to quickly assemble a document. As soon as you begin to type a commonly used word, a yellow auto text flag will appear. To accept the flag, hit the enter key. To override the auto text entry, simply continue typing and the flag will disappear. There is another feature, that is autocomplete. Autocomplete enables you to insert entire items such as dates and auto text entries. When you type a few identifying characters, Word automatically corrects many commonly misspelled words and punctuation marks with the autocorrect feature. Students, to view the list of words that are automatically corrected, select Tools menu and then Autocorrect option. Students, we can easily check spelling and grammatical mistakes in our documents by turning this feature on, by turning spelling and grammar checker on, and we can keep it on by selecting Tools menu and spelling and grammar check option. By selecting Tools menu and then click on the spelling and grammar check option from the menu bar, or simply press F7 key. Now the spelling and grammar dialog box will notify you of the first mistake in the document, and misspelled word will be highlighted in red color in the dialog box. Students, Word 2003 has a new feature for finding synonyms. Students, if you want to replace a word, then you can just find the synonym and you can replace the word with its synonym. For this, first method is simply right click on the word which you want to replace and select synonyms from the shortcut menu. Second method is from the list of suggested words, highlight the word you would like to use or click Thesaurus for more options. Yes, students, you can use Thesaurus for finding words and for finding synonyms in your document. To use Thesaurus, select Tools, then Language, and then click on the Thesaurus option from the menu bar. Or you can also select Thesaurus from the Synonyms shortcut menu, and you can simply do this by pressing Shift and F7 key together. Students, Shift plus F7 means you have to press the Shift and F7 both keys together. In this way, a list of meanings and synonyms appears on the window. Students, let's see how we can correct our spelling and grammatical mistakes in Microsoft Word document, and how can we find synonyms in MS Word 2003. Students, you can see here that some words are underlined with red wavy lines. It means there are some spelling mistakes in these words. For example, this is a word which is underlined with red wavy line. Just click on that word. Click on Tools menu. Choose Spelling and Grammar option. Students, you can see here that Spelling and Grammar dialog box appears. There is word with wrong spelling which is highlighted with red color, and some suggestions are given in this dialog box. Just click on the correct spelling and click on Change. Your word will be changed with new spellings. Now there is another word which is highlighted with red color. It also means that there is some spelling mistake in it. Some suggestions are given here. Entertainment, entertainments. Entertainment is correct option for this. So click on Change. The word will be changed. Now this is another word which is highlighted with red color, and there are some suggestions given, that is medium. Click on the correct suggestion and click on Change. The word will be changed now, and you can see that there is a message appears. The spelling and grammar check is complete now. So click on OK button. Students, in this way we can easily check spelling and grammatical mistakes in our document, and we can also correct it. In the same way, if we want to find synonyms of some words, for example, there is a word rival written here. Click on this word. Now right click. A menu appears. By right clicking on this word, a menu appears. Click on Synonyms. You can see that here a list of synonyms appear. Competitor, opponent, adversary, contender, challenger, enemy, foe, equal, and last one is the Thesaurus option. The word, just click on this word, then right click, a menu appears. Point to synonyms. There are some options for the synonyms appear. If you want to replace the word, then click on any one of the option, and if you want to find more options, then click on Thesaurus. For example, if you want to replace this word with opponent, then click on it. Now you can see that this word rival is replaced with the word opponent. In this way, students, you can replace the words with its synonyms also. Students, that's all about today's lesson. Now it's time for assignment. Students, how can you run the spell checker of MS Word? Why you use Thesaurus? What is the shortcut to turn the spelling and grammar checker on? Which key would you use to open Thesaurus? Thank you.